Let's solve this Olympiad equation quickly. It says 2 raised power x plus 1 minus 2 raised power x minus 1 is equal to 20. We're required to solve for the value of x, okay? Now don't get confused. I'll teach you guys a step-by-step process of solving this. Now, when you have 2 raised power x plus 1, it simply tells you that this was initially a multiplication of 2 raised power x times 2 raised power 1, which is 2. Okay, because when the bases are the same, you add the powers, alright? And for here, you have 2 raised power x minus 2 raised power 1, which is 2 raised power x divided by 2. And this is equal to 20. This can be re-expressed as 2 raised power x times 2 minus 2 raised power x over 2 is equal to 20. Let's go ahead and multiply each term of this equation by 2. So we have 2 times 2 times 2 raised power x is 4 times 2 raised power x minus, for here we have 2 times 2 times 2 raised power x divided by 2 is same thing as 2 raised power x, and this is equal to 2 times 20 is 40. All right, from here we can say let's factor out 2 raised power x. Okay, so carefully watch as I do this. Let's factor out 2 raised power x. So we say 2 raised power x into 4 minus 1 is equal to 40. All right, from here we now have that 2 raised power x is equal times 3 is equal to 40. 2 raised power x hence becomes equal to 40 divided by 3. Moving on from here, we can say, let us take the logarithm to the base of 2 of both sides. So we have logarithm to base 2 of 2 raised power x to be equal to logarithm to base 2 of 40 divided by 3. Moving on from here, we can now say logarithm of a number to its own base is 1, but we have power x, so how do we resolve this? We multiply the log by the power. So we have x times logarithm of 2 to base 2 is 1, so we have x is equal to, for here when you have division, you simply split and you put minus between them. So we have logarithm to base 2 of 40 minus logarithm to base 2 of 3. This now becomes equal to logarithm to base 2 of 40 is same as logarithm to base 2 of 8 times 5 minus logarithm to base 2 of 3. Now, logarithm to base 2 of 8 times 5 can be written as logarithm to base 2 of 8 plus logarithm to base 2 of 5 minus logarithm to base 2 of 3. Logarithm to base 2 of 8 can be re-expressed as 8 is 2 raised power 3. Okay, so because 8 is equal to 2 raised power 3, it means that we can replace this log to base 2 of 8 with log to base 2 of 2 raised power 3, making it equal to 3 multiplied by logarithm to the base of 2 of 2 plus logarithm to base 2 of 5 minus logarithm to base 2 of 3. This now becomes equal to logarithm to base 2 of 2 is 1, 1 times 3 is 3 plus logarithm to base 2 of 5 minus logarithm to base 2 of 3. And this becomes the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next